Today I'm going to tell you my morning routine. Morning routine. Okay, my morning routine. First, when I wake up, I take a rest. Second, I use the phone. And the third, first, I take a rest. Second, I use the phone. Third, I eat. Fourth, I exercise. Fifth, I will go to my friend's house and then exercise. This is my morning routine. Okay? That is my morning routine. Yeah, the light is so close. Because at this time it is 10:37. Yeah, I don't know why. Because some of the people here are still sleeping. That's why. Bye. Peace.